natural, so I wanted to just start making her hair like that, but it didn't work, like it did not work. So I just decided to, you know, stretch her hair a little bit. So the stretching, I started from the top of her hair down to the roots. I'm stretching with hand dryer. So sometimes when I'm working with natural hair clients, I kind of stretch their hair, and sometimes I don't, because most of them do not like the idea of using heat on their hair. So yeah, but this, she was fine with it, so that's why I decided to use hand dryer to just stretch her hair a little bit, just so I can easily work with the hair. Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Hope everyone is fine today. Hope we're all great and healthy. Today's video is a tutorial, is a detailed tutorial on how to make distressed locks or butterfly locks. Please stay tuned and watch the video from beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single part. And if you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button below to join the family. Give this video, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Or I'd like to see your comments or what you think about this video, and also what you want to see up next on this channel, and share the video to friends and family. We'll be styling the hair in a straight line before I start box braiding, or we'll be partitioning the hair on a straight line before I start box braiding. The first box braid is not really a box braid, it's a twist, because I wanted to try the twist pattern first before I do the box braid. I just wanted to know if I can tell you guys to either use the twist, you know, or the box braid. So I found out that her hair is very soft, so the twist could not really work, so I just decided to just box braid like that. So yeah, not like I'm saying that you cannot twist the hair before you install the locks. I'm just saying that for this particular hair, her hair is really soft, so it could not really stay, the twist could not really stay. So that's why I'm just saying, so if you have soft hair, it's not advisable to use twist before, or to twist the hair before you lock or do the butterfly locks. Yeah, that's why I decided to box braid the hair instead of twist, so that the distressed locks won't loosen after installation. So yeah, before the box braid, I applied edge control to the root of the hair, just to add moisture and also to gather up all the small hairs around the hair, or the small hairs, just to gather them up so that I can easily grip the roots of the hair. The box braiding, I'm not box braiding down to the tip of her hair. I'm just, box braiding halfway. When I get to half part of her hair, we just stop and move over to the next portion and box braid. So yeah, I'm just box braiding, so I'm just going to do like 2 lines of the box braid, just 2 lines, then go ahead to start, doing the distressed locks. After that, we'll go ahead to do another 2 lines so that it will be fast. That's why I'm doing it like that.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
The 2 lines actually looks like before I start doing the distressed locks. The hair I'll be using for today's tutorial is called SEWIN, and I'm going to be using like 2 packs of this product. I'm not using only 1 pack, I'm using 2 different packs, and one of the pack is colored hair, and then the other pack is black hair. Start up, I'm starting at the back of the hair, that's for the distressed lock. The thing I'm going to be doing is just to crochet the hair by pushing the crochet pin in out of the box braid and then open the hook and attach the extension to the crochet pin. And after I attach the extension, we just go ahead to close the hook and drag it out of the box braid to just give it that double ends. So I just want to have like double ends. So in this case, I'm not creating like a loop, so I just want like a double end. So I'm making one end of the extension longer than the other. So I'm going to be, you know, wrapping the other longer length around the short length extension. So I do not want the distress or butterfly locks to look too much, so I'm only going to use my thumb to bring out the hair just 3 times per locks, either 3 or 4 times per locks, because I do not want it to be like everywhere too much. So yeah.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up.
To add accessories to the hair, so I just got accessories from the market, which is not that expensive. I got them for like 200 naira, so I'm just placing or applying or putting them randomly on her hair, just so that the whole look will look, or the hair will look realistic,